Welcome back, beauty campers. Now I know what you're saying. This isn't box sprays. We're looking at a face full of foundation, eyeshadow, concealer, and brows. Well, on this channel we also do makeup, lashes, you name it. And this is a little tutorial of me showing you how I got this beautiful sultry glam look. It's giving date night, it's giving brunch, something soft. Now, I did lose some footage where I was applying the foundation and doing her brows and her eyeshadow. But be sure to get everything in our next tutorial. Drop a like if you want to see that. Here's a little of the footage that I managed to get. So here I'm just blending in her concealer. I applied some liquid blush to her cheeks. And now I'm blending in that concealer. I also added like this popper color brighter concealer. There's that UK makeup girl look, that bright under eye that the girlies love so much. Also, the term popper, if you watch Lachey's Glams, you already know. But you have to make sure you blend that seamlessly. Now I'm just blending in her contour, contouring the bridge of her nose, her cheekbones, and her jawline. Now I'm just reinforcing that blush because liquid blush can get lost pretty easily. So reinforce that blush. And now we're all blended. Flawless finish. It's giving butter, it's giving skin. I'm just applying setting powder to her face now. We're going underneath the eye. We're pressing that powder in. We're not baking, just pressing, patting. I went under the jawline as well. Now I'm just bronzing up her nose, setting that contour. And then here I'm setting her nose and forehead, pressing that powder between the brows and on the forehead. Patting it into her cupid's bow, just above her cupid's bow, and below her nose and her chin. We also want to make sure we get those smile lines, no creasing throughout the day. And here I'm lining her lips. I think I'm using the NYX pencil in Espresso. And then we got some lipstick on her braces. If you know, you know. Maybe letting her blot her lips. That's going to help to blend her lips better instead of just instructing them to pat their lips together, which never works. Now I'm highlighting the bridge of her nose. And here we have the completed look. Yes. Yeah, she was feeling herself after this entire look. You might also see me go in with the Morphe setting spray just to set things and give the face a more dewy look. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. And who knows, maybe I'll even get another tutorial for you guys, a completed tutorial. Thanks for watching.